What's up guys, Nick from the future here, and today I'm bringing you guys an old video 2 years ago, and this is the intro before the intro. Hope you guys enjoy the video. I separated the video into 2 separate parts because it would have been like 40 minutes long, and I don't think someone's gonna sit there and watch it for 40 minutes. So the first part is this one, POV driving my Integra down to H2O, and the second video is gonna be a hell of a video, hectic POV Saturday with the boys, everybody hanging out, good times. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Peace. I said video a lot. We are about to go to H2Oi down in Ocean City, Maryland. We're taking the Integra. I haven't even made a video on the Integra after it being done.
Yeah, for real.
The last video was my Integra's K-swapped, and now we're gonna go drive it down to Ocean City. It's been K-swapped for like 2 months, but it's gonna be like a point of view video, driving down to Ocean City, chilling in Ocean City, the Ocean City vibes. I know they're doing one in Atlantic City, but obviously the official one's in Atlantic City now, but everyone still goes to Ocean City. So we're waiting for Will to get here. We're gonna meet Will on the turnpike and head down. I think it's like 3.5 hours, so.
Yeah. You ready?
Gonna do a PO. I'm ready. Are you ready? I'm not ready. I'm tired as fuck already. Well, it's 8 o'clock. Will should have been here at 5, and it's now 8. We should have been at H2O right now. We should have been Ocean City. It's like 3 hours. Gotta do a POV video all weekend there. Hope you guys enjoy. Well, my last POV video got about 175,000 views with MC Slick's coupe. Today we're gonna be driving my K24 Integra down there. Looking forward to the drive. It's gonna be fun, interesting, and we'll link up with everybody down there when we get there. Fill it up, 93. Yeah, I think you would have made it to the next one.
Hell no, my gas light is on.
I think you, oh damn.
It's like bright yellow, like hello. What's up? Fucking savage. Not for $10, is that full?
Yeah, it was already pretty full.
Okay, so just topping it up.
Thank you, man.
Bro. What? He has...
Yeah, record it and post it. I'm like, bro. Yo, what you need me to do?
Push.
Yeah?
Police reported ahead.
got 40 minutes. That's like driving home. That's like driving home from Edgewater.
Yeah.
It's like driving home from Edgewater. I gotta pee so bad. Fuck out! We made it. Fuck that. Say burnout? Yeah. Yo, everybody just be gassing everybody up, bro.
It was scared as fuck just now. Oh, they stopped that.
Oh, damn.
They stopped.
Your tint is too dark.
But why he stopped at him?
He did the burnout. He just did the burnout over there. Flying, bro.
Bro, I just got pulled over and they brought the tow truck and everything.
Why?
I got clocked at 130.
That shit is screaming.
Yeah, they better race. Is that real type, bro?
Yes. Ooh, you got the quick shit. You heard that? We would have been right next to him, bro. We would have been right next to him.
At least you know how to.
Yeah, what time is it?
Should have hit the curb, you fuck. He did that, so he did. He did it! He did it!
Yo, your brother.
Man's another 6'9".
Yo.
He did it!
Yo, Willie said you're another 6'9".
He did it! That's why you pulled up to right there. I'm nudes, put that off your mom! Why do you have a GoPro on your head? You look like a fucking retard. You're about to do construction or something. Recording right now?
Yeah, it's been recorded.
It's you. Hey!
Yeah. Yo.
Yo, hella.
What the fuck?
When did you guys say you got?
That shit is
Fucking
wild.
Hondas are gay!
You fucking
he missed the IS300 with the roof fell off, bro. That shit was hilarious.
The roof fell off?
No, they cut the roof off of an IS300.
Here?
Make it convertible, yeah.
What the fuck?
That shit was oh, it's that Mustang, bro.
Yeah, that's him. He did it. My name's 6ix9ine, motherfucker. I saw him. He needs backup. Hurry up.
Yo.
He needs backup. Yo, he got drop it.
What is that?
Yo, you should put all of his head.
Got fucked up. I'm not an asshole like that.
Hey,
I would have hit it too, bro.
now pick it up and throw it back at you.
This is yours? Fuck no. Fuck, what are you, high?
Rotomasters.
Oh, they shit. They look like they're real young.
He paid real deal price for them. I don't know. It's crazy.
She gave me a